double D, you read in the mail. Trinitron9 walking underwater. A double D, you read in the mail. Trinitron9 walking underwater. Break, break, break.
Hello, Trinitron9. While you walking on the water, that's why them way. Trinitron9, double D with the
And that's a Roger Double D. You sounding real good in these deep waters of Coney Island. Have a good week. Keep up the good work. Double D, double D, double D. The Trinitron9 Coney Island just got down.
But if you could put good till we do it again. Cottonfield, Alabama.
And that's the Cotton Fields of Alabama Roger. Cotton Fields of Alabama Roger. Bye, bye, bye.
Oh, look at that, your 188 got this driver going. Look at that, right about now you got the 188 trying to work this baby driver. Oh, 188 on sand pile trying to make a little bit of noise. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Your 188 on the sand pile. Audio.
188 making a whole lot of noise. 188 making a whole lot of noise in the baby driver. 188 making a whole lot of noise. 188 making a whole lot of noise. Trinitron9 just got down.
Hello there, Trinitron9. Hello there, Trinitron9. I ain't get on by that cyclone over there by Coney Island. Bad.
I'm on the cyclone and I'm on the roller coaster at the same time. I'm on the cyclone and I'm on the roller coaster at the same time. A188, I'm on the cyclone and I'm on the roller coaster at the same time. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island, got down.
Hey, Trinitron. Trying to make a little bit of noise. Trinitron, look at that. 188 working a modulator trying to make a little bit of noise.
I'm looking 188. I'm looking 188. Somebody tried to get in there, but you just came over the top there. Hey, 188. Somebody tried to get in there, but you just came on over the top and did your thing in Coney Island. Hey, 188, 188. The man walking in the water just got down. Hey, 188, you doing your thing. Lady Tornado, you doing your thing also. Hey, 188, Lady Tornado, you're both doing your thing in this deep water, no doubt about it, man. I can't take nothing away from either one of y'all. 188 and Lady Tornado, you're doing your thing in these deep waters of Coney Island. Trinitron9 got down. Y'all doing it out here in Coney Island. The video gate don't lie, man. Y'all doing it in Coney Island. The video gate don't lie. The video gate don't lie. Y'all doing it in Coney Island, man. No doubt about it. Trinitron9, the man walking in the water, the man that don't do no ghost talking, and the man that ain't afraid of no ghost just got down.
Hey, Trinitron9, when you walking on water, riding that wave. Hey, Trinitron9, walking on water, riding that wave. Hey, Trinitron, what about this worldwide, Lady Tornado, Trinitron, worldwide, Lady Tornado, house of bad weather, Trinitron, Lady Tornado, break.
Lady Tornado took everything out my box. Lady Tornado took everything out my box. Somebody was trying to tell me while I ride the wave and walk on the water. Somebody was trying to get it back to the man walking on the water and ride the wave. But Lady Tornado took every living thing out of my radio. Lady Tornado took every living soul out of my radio. Trinitron9 walking on the water just got down.
Maryland. Heard that from Maryland, all the double D on double D knows. Hey, Trinitron, why are you taking everybody out of my radio? The gate don't lie, Trinitron, Lady Tornado going on.
The gate don't lie, the gate don't lie, the gate don't lie. That's what you said. The gate don't lie. The gate never lies. Take care, Lady Tornado, and all the good time gang. Take care, Lady Tornado, and all the good time gang. The man walking on the water just got down.
Hey, Trinitron9, you walking on water? Watchmaker said you walking on water. You rolling? Hey, Trinitron9, uh-oh, 9 dumb.
Hey, watchmaker, here I come. Watchmaker, here I come. Hey watchmaker, here I come. I'm walking on the water, riding the waves. Hey watchmaker, I'm walking on the water and riding the waves. I'm not only walking on the water, but I'm riding the waves. Watchmaker, 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 Trinitron9 just got down. Right back, watchmaker. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I don't do no ghost talking, and I walk on the water. Hey, watchmaker, I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I don't do no ghost talking, and I walk on the water. Take care, watchmaker. Take care, watchmaker. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island. Just got down. Take care, watchmaker. Take care, Lady Tornado, and all the good time gang. Double D, the pistol grip, and whoever else is out there. I'm just walking on this water, riding the wave. That's all I'm doing. I'm just playing in this water in Coney Island. I'm just playing in the water, having fun. That's all I'm doing. I'm playing in the water, having fun. The man walking on the water just got down. There go that boogeyman, there go that boogeyman, there go 314, there go that boogeyman, Trinitron9 walking on that water, riding the waves. Boogeyman, boogeyman, Trinitron9 walking on the water and riding that wave, just got down.
Hey, boogeyman, he caught you. You was keying on him, he caught you keying on him, boogeyman, I'm up.
There it is, the Lady Tornado, tell boogeyman I said bye bye bye. Hey Lady Tornado, tell that boogeyman I said bye bye bye. Hey Lady Tornado, tell boogeyman I said bye bye bye.
Boogeyman, boogeyman. Boogeyman, you said bye bye bye. Hey, Trinitron, you said tell boogeyman you said bye bye bye. I flipped to the vertical, I flipped to the flat, I can hear you both. Trinitron, you said tell him bye bye bye.
That's how we do it out here in the deep waters. Hey, Lady Tornado, that's how we do it out here in Coney Island. We walk on the water, we ride the waves, flat side, vertical. We do it all, we do it all, we do it all. Take care, Lady Tornado, the man walking on the water, the man riding the wave. Just got down.
Boogeyman said howdy.
All right, howdy, 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 right back. Howdy, howdy, right back. The video gate don't lie. Howdy, howdy, right back. Lady Tornado, the man walking on the water, just got down.
Hey, Trinitron, what's up? Hey, John,
I made him go to the closet. I made Boogeyman go to the closet. I made Boogeyman go to the closet. I made Boogeyman go to the closet. Trinitron9, Coney Island, just got down.
Hey, Trinitron, you say you made him go to the closet. You made him go to the closet, you made him go to the pub, you made him put a few more peas in the pot. He said he ain't afraid of no ghosts either. Hey, Trinitron, Boogeyman said he's afraid of...
And that's a Lady Tornado Roger. That's a Lady Tornado Trinitron9 Coney Island Roger, no doubt about it. While I ride these waves and walk on the water, while I ride these waves and walk on the water, Trinitron9 Coney Island with the worldwide wave just got down.
Uh-oh, he's a mean man. Hey, Trinitron, Trinitron, I know he's a friend of yours. I'm hearing you both. But Boogeyman got that hammer down. Trinitron, Lady Tornado, reading this mail.
Reading the mail, reading the mail, it is what it is. Hey, Lady Tornado, you reading the mail, and it is what it is. No doubt about it. It is what it is. It is what it is. Hey, Lady Tornado, it is what it is. It is what it is. The man walking on the water just got down.
That's my buddy walking on water. Hey, Boogeyman, when I flipped to the vertical... Right there. Boogeyman, when I flipped over to the vertical, he's on top. Boogeyman, I see, I can pick and choose who I want to talk to. Boogeyman, Lady Tornado's don't you know?
Pick and choose, pick and choose, pick and choose. Here I come, pick and choose, pick and choose. Hey, Lady Tornado, here I come. You can pick and choose, you can pick and choose. Hey, Lady Tornado, you say you can pick and choose, you can pick and choose. The man walking on the water just got down.
One double E, look at it. Poor Roger, trying to back. He tried to get you on that vertical, but he can't do nothing with you on the vertical.
Yeah, that's how it goes. That's how it goes. No doubt about it. I know what you mean. That's how it goes. That's how it is. That's how it is. That's how it goes. Ain't no shame in my game. I walk in the water. I ride the wave. I ain't afraid of no ghosts, and I don't do no ghost talking. Take care, Lady Tornado, and all the good time gang. Take care, Lady Tornado, and all the good time gang. Trinitron9 just got down.
Always a pleasure talking to you, and I appreciate the modulation. I'll get back on the side for a little bit and give me something to drink out of the icebox. Trinitron9, your Lady Tornado 301, I heard. Hello there, 901. Hello there, 901. Code is coming in through the side of my beam, 901.
All right, Lady Tornado, take care before you keyed up. Somebody's trying to get it back to me. Hey, Lady Tornado, before you drop that big hammer, somebody was trying to get it back to Trinitron9. I'm going to wave a hand and say good afternoon to whoever that was. Good afternoon, good morning, whatever the case was. Lady Tornado dropped that big hammer on you, whoever was trying to get it back to me. I'm going to say good afternoon. I'm getting ready to pull this thing out of the deep waters of Coney Island. I'm getting ready to pull this thing out of the deep waters of Coney Island. Y'all have a good week. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Just got down.
188 on San Pablo, let you know you sounded a whole bunch of Trinitron. I hope I get a chance to do it again myself. It's always a pleasure, double mixer. Trinitron, your friend in the sand, waving my hand, and I'm getting out the road.
Getting out the road, getting out the road, getting out the road, getting out the road. Take care, Lady Tornado. Pass the good numbers to the household. Hey, Lady Tornado, pass the good numbers around the household. Tell them I did say hello. Take care, Lady Tornado. Bye, bye, bye.
Well, you whooping that water too much, we are all city.
I hear you saying Trinitron9. I hear you saying Trinitron9 is rough and tough in the deep waters of Coney Island. The video gate don't lie. The video gate don't lie. I'm getting ready to get out of here. Y'all take care. Bye, bye, bye.
You guys. Damn full on that, man. Anytime, brother. Three legs, Bill Jim got back on that vertical. Yeah, Roger, and that 534 Chesapeake Bay. Good afternoon time to you, good morning time to you, around Chesapeake Bay. Look at it, you're 180.